Hey guys, my name is Bhaskar and in this video I'm going to teach you 3 After Effects tips that is going to take your editing to the next level. So fire up your software and let's get started. One of the most confusing things in Adobe After Effects is the fact that when you try to import a clip onto a composition and you want a specific portion of your video, it is very difficult to do that since there are no visible options to do this particular trick. But that's why I have tip number 1 for you. So all you have to do is import your clip onto your project bin, double click on your video to load it on your program monitor. Then what you need to do is define the in and out point of this video. Now how you're going to do that? All you have to do is drag your playhead to the point where you want your video to begin and click on this in point marker. Then drag your playhead to the point you want your video to end and click on this out point marker. Now you have defined the range which you want to import onto your particular composition. Now all you have to do is drag your video from your project bin onto your composition and you will notice only the portion that you have selected will appear onto the composition and not the entire video. So that is a very handy tip. Now for the second tip, which is probably one of the easiest things to do in After Effects, is add motion blur to your particular video or your motion graphics. Let's say you're editing a video or any motion graphics on Adobe After Effects and you want to add motion blur. To do that, all you have to do is click on 2 icons. First, click on this particular icon. This will enable the motion blur for your particular file. Now allow your video file to render onto your composition in After Effects. Once your file is rendered, all you have to do is click on this master motion blur icon. That is going to allow you to preview your motion blur and show the effect on your particular screen. And by simply doing this, you will have your motion blur on your video or your motion graphics. So that's for tip number 2. Now for the third and the final tip, I also have a very interesting shortcut for you. Suppose you want to work on a 3D layer, you want to convert your image or your video to 3D. So to do that, it is very simple. All you have to do is click on this cube-like icon and your layer, be it a video or audio or any motion graphics, is automatically converted into a 3D layer. And now you can enable all the effects that you want on your 3D layer and get your desired results. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope you like this video. If you did, then definitely give this video a thumbs up, press the subscribe button, hit the bell notification. It gives me a lot of encouragement to make more videos and bring it to you guys. So that's it for today, guys. Stay safe, take care, and I'll see you in the next one.